What's up, Xrp holder? Today video is gonna very special for Xrp holder, and this is one big reason that the Xrp as always goes down. All cryptocurrencies just go down, but why Xrp goes down? I explain everything in this video. But before I get started this brand video, I request you to please click the subscribe button. If you get subscribed, you know why. What is the big reason? If you get subscribed, then I inform you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So just in 2 minutes I inform you about all good news or bad news. So let's get started this brand video. Hope you subscribe ABS Tech channel. Okay guys, so Xrp, one of the fastest cryptocurrency. You everybody know. I am a holder of Xrp. This is one big reason to they can go on everything, every time, every situation they can go on up. So first of all guys, I gonna show you, this is just last 1 hour result. I gonna show you the one day everything, okay, in this video. But this is, first of all, this is very important. This is last 1 hour chance. You can see here, absolutely good, plus 0.35% at this time. All cryptocurrencies goes down, but one Xrp, congratulations Xrp holder, absolutely Xrp has gone up. You can see here the price is 0.5828 US dollar. So this is absolutely a result. Okay guys, so if you can see here, this is absolutely small dumping, not a big dumping. You can see here, but one thing that I explain in this video, after that result I gonna show you, then we decided to what's the situation, what we do. Okay guys, so first of all, let me show you the 1 day result, and then decided to, this is buying time, this is selling time, what is the situation. This is absolutely I decided in this video. Okay, I just share my opinion, not my orders. Okay, so guys, this time if you can see here, absolutely the result is goes down. You can see here, absolutely, first of all, in the graph result, they absolutely started dumping. So this is absolutely bad for a holder, but not a bad for a holders. You can see, you know why, this is absolutely a sell time. You know why? This time you can see here, minus 5.97% goes down. So this is absolutely a very bad chance, but this is absolutely a buying time. You know why? Absolutely, this is the start of month and everyone can sell it in the end of the March. So therefore the XLM is goes down. XLM, all cryptocurrency, Xrp also goes down. All cryptocurrency, my favorite cryptocurrencies, Cardano, XLM, Xrp, Zileka, everyone is goes down. But this is starting again, jumping, and last 1 hour, I gotta show you first of all my result of 1 hour, absolutely goes up. So this is good news for Xrp holder, so they can start again jumping. But this time you can see here, the after the 24-hour result absolutely goes down. So this is just buying time. Don't sell it, just buy it and wait for the end of month, and I hope they can cross easily 1 or 2 US dollars. So absolutely they can cross it. If they can cross it, then they can make you a millionaire, they can give you a good profit. So thanks for watching guys. Don't sell it, just buy it and enjoy. Allah Hafiz. Subscribe ABS Tech channel.